Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today I draw Yoshi Kid from Paper Mario. So let's get started. To draw this cute baby dinosaur, let's first start by drawing the nose. So I'm going to start right here and draw this really round, big nose. So let's just go up and around. And say about right here. Bring it in and kind of end at the same level. There. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and let's see here, come about right here towards the center of this curve, and I'm going to draw a curve right here. So this is kind of where the eyes are going to be, and then I'm going to slant down about to right here, a little bit more, and then we're going to go up and go up to about the same level as that, so about right there, and then I'm going to bring a curve down. So kind of following this, just curve it all the way down to about here, and then just go ahead and connect whatever space you have left. So we've created the area for the eye. So then I'm going to come in here, come in and just draw this oval right inside, and then I'm going to put in a highlight right here and shade the rest in. And then the other eye, so about right here. And same thing, just put a little highlight right there. There. So this one's going to be a little bit lower. Okay, so then now that we have that, we're going to come up right here, kind of where the center is, and I'm going to draw a curve, and we're going to go up. So this is going to be the top of the head. We're going to go up over the eye, say about right here, and then we're going to come down. So kind of following the eye once again. Come down at that curve, and then keep going, and we're going to bring it all the way down to about right there. And then before I finish the rest of that, let's come back here. We need to draw the spiky hair right here. So I'm going to come in here and just draw a curve going over this eye. And if you have any space in between, just finish it off right there. And then we're going to draw the spike. So we're just going to draw 3 zigzags, 1, 2, and 3, and bring it all the way back to about right here. There. And then if you like, you can come into this space and just thicken this top line up, just so that the eyes are anchored a bit more. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, I'm going to bring this in a little bit more, and then I'm going to put in a curve right here. And then we're going to come in here and just curve. So this is going to be like the cheek area. We're going to curve out. You just want it nice and round. And we're going to bring it all the way back to about right here. So just keep that in mind as you draw this curve to connect everything. There. Okay, so that's all done for the head. And then curve this a little bit more, and then I'm going to kind of just very lightly right about here just draw a curve for the different color on the face. Oh, and almost forgot, right in the nose area we need to draw the nostril. So let's say about right here, and go ahead and just draw one here, and then the other one about right here. There. Okay, so hopefully that wasn't too hard. I was able to help you with that. And then now we need to draw the body. So I'm going to say about like maybe where this line is, come down and about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. And then the other curve would be about right here for the back. Just so I know where everything's going to be. Let's bring this down a little bit more. And then right about here, curve down. And we're going to start to draw the hands. So I'm going to pop this out. Just want to make sure it passes this curve. So then whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish it. And then we're going to draw another one, another curve, and then maybe, no, one more. Not maybe. One more curve, and then we're going to bring it in. So about right here, and then go ahead and finish the arms and connect it. And then we're going to draw the other hand. So come about right here, and we're going to do the same thing. Just curve 3 times. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's bring this down, curve it down a little bit more. And then we're going to come in. So about right here, just bring a curve down. And then before we finish all of that, I'm going to come into this area. So let's bring this in to say about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve right into this space. So this is going to be this shoe. So I'm drawing this curve right about here. And bring this down. So that's a really big shoe. So I'm going to come right about here and bring this in. And then let's go ahead and finish. So about right here. Just going to draw one curve and then another curve. And then bring it all together. So 1 and 2. Just draw a little line right there, and then we need to draw the bottom of the sole of our shoe. So just connecting everything. So that's one big shoe. And then right about here, we're going to draw another curve to finish everything off and do the same thing. Pop it out a little bit more and just tuck it in. And once again, the sole. And tuck it in. Okay, so then now we have the back that we need to draw. So let's come about right here. And so now we're going to curve it all the way to here. So now we know how big to make this back part. And just curve it in. And then the tail. So let's say about right here. And tuck it in. There. And before I forget, there's spots right here for some details, and here, and also right here. Let's break this part up for the body. So right here, we're going to lightly draw a curve coming through, and let's see if I'm forgetting anything. I think that's pretty much it for this drawing of Yoshi Kid from Paper Mario. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.